Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic today chosen is from Chapter 5, Work, Energy and Power. Already 7 questions has floated in the previous session. Now we are going to solve the solution for these 7 questions. Let's move to question number 1. The energy required to break one bond in DNA is 10 power minus 20 joules. The value is nearly in terms of EV. Actually, what is EV? EV is a unit of energy in atomic scale. What is the relationship? 1 EV equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Now, for 10 power minus 20 joules, energy given is 10 power minus 20 joules. Now, you should convert this joules into EV. That's all. So, if you want to convert this into EV means multiplied by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 or divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, which is correct one. Yes, divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So, this is equal to 10 power minus 20 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Then you will get answer in EV. That is 1 by 1.6 is 0.6. 0.6 into 10 power minus 19 comes up 10 power plus 19. 10 power minus 20 into 10 power plus 19. 10 power minus 1. So 0.6 into 10 power minus 1, that is nothing but 0.06 EV. That is which option? Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to second question. A force F equal to 20 plus 10y acts on a particle in y direction. F is in Newton and y is in meter. Work done by this force to move the particle from y equal to 0 to y equal to 1 is dash. Formula: work done W equal to force into displacement. F into dy means integral F into dy. And F value is given 20 plus 10y. Substitute this here. This is equal to F value 20 integral 0 to 1 dy plus 10 into integral 0 to 1 y into dy. Integral of dy is y. That is equal to 20 into integral of this is dy just to y plus 10 into, that is integral of y is y square by 2. Y square by 2 and substitute upper limit and lower limit here 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Then simplify this. Equal to W equal to 20 into 1 plus 20 plus 10 by 2. If you simplify, you will get 5 into y square 1 square, that is same. So that is equal to 20 plus 5 equal to 25 unit joules. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 3. A particle moves from a point minus 2i cap plus 5j cap to 4j cap plus 3k cap when a force of 4i plus 3j cap Newton is applied. How much work has been done by the force? W equal to F into dr only, and dr only given as 2 position. So first you separately find dr. Dr equal to difference of this. Suppose if you keep this as R1 and this is R2, then R2 minus R1, that is dr. R2 minus R1. Then substitute this. R2 is 4j. 4j plus 3k cap minus R2. So minus 2i plus 5j cap. Then this is equal to minus 2a come as it is. Here already minus is there. So minus into minus plus 2i and then 4j minus 5j minus j cap plus 3k cap. This is your dr. Substitute this here. W equal to F into dr. F also given in vector form as 4i cap plus 3j cap. Oh wait, yes 4 3. Yes, 4i plus 3j cap. 4i cap plus 3j cap. into, that is a dot, these things, 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Then 4i, 4 to 8, and then 3j, 3 dot j, that is minus 3, 8 minus 3, k, that becomes 0. So 8 minus 3, 5, 5 joules. That is work done W equal to 5 joules. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to fourth question. Force F on a particle moving in a straight line varies with the distance d, as shown in the figure, this graph. The work done on the particle during its displacement of 12 meter. That is this area of the curve you want to find. Actually, work done equal to area of a curve or area of a graph. Area of the graph. Area of the graph. And this is equal to, area of the graph is, this is rectangle and this is triangle. Is it so? So area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is 7 minus 3 into breadth is 2 minus 0 into 2 minus 0 plus area of a triangle. What's the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Base is 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 into 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 12 minus 7, 5. 5 into 2. 2 minus 0, 2. This 2 getting cancelled. 4 to 8. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equal to 13 joules. That is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Let's move to fifth question. A bomb of mass 30 kg at rest explodes into two pieces of mass 18 kg and 12 kg. The velocity of 18 kg mass is 6 meter per second. The kinetic energy of the other mass is dash. Formula: kinetic energy equal to half mv square, E K equal to half mv square, and here mass, two mass is given, m1 m2. m1 equal to 80 kilogram, m1 equal to 18 kilogram, and m2 12 kilogram, m2 12 kilogram, and one mass is given for 18 kilogram, 6 mass, that is v1 equal to 6 meter per second square, meter per second. And we should find v2, and you should find the kinetic energy of other mass, means m2 mass, v2 velocity. So from this, find the velocity. What's the formula? By applying law of conservation of momentum, law of conservation of linear momentum. That is, total momentum is constant, or total momentum is constant. That is nothing but m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. From this v2 only you want to find. v2 equal to m1 v1 by m2. That is equal to, what's the value of m1? 18 into v1 6 divided by m2 12. 6 to 12 to 9. So v2 equal to 9 meter per second. Substitute this here. Ek equal to half into m2 is 12. 12 into 9 square. 2, 6, 12. So this is equal to 6 into 9 square is 81. 616, 68, 48. 486 joule. That is the kinetic energy. Option, yes, option B is the correct answer. Let's move to question number 6. Two masses 1 gram and 9 gram are moving with equal kinetic energies. The ratio of the magnitude of the respective linear momenta is dash. Here kinetic energy is same. So there is a relation between P and 2m only. E equal to P square by 2m. Then P square equal to E into 2m. E into 2m. This E2 is a constant. So you remove constant, then what you will get? P square is proportional to m. Now the formula, P square is proportional to M, then P is proportional to square root of M. Two cases we are having. So P1 is proportional to M1 and P2 is proportional to root M2. Here what you want to find? P1 by P2. P1 by P2 equal to root of M1 by M2. Root of M1 by M2. M1 is 1 gram. Actually, gram you should convert into kilogram. 1 into 10 power minus 3 and 9 into 10 power minus 3 is going to getting cancelled for ratio. So just straight away you can write 1 by 9 square root. 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. So P1 by P2 is 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3. That is option C. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Let's move to last question, 7th question. An engine pumps water continuously through a hose. Water leaves the hose with a velocity v and m is the mass per unit length of the water jet. What is the rate at which kinetic energy is imparted to water? Here was given, m is given as mass per unit length and capital M is the actual mass. Then mass equal to mass into length. Okay. What is this M? M is the mass per unit length. That is, as per the given data, mass per unit length is equal, nothing but mass per unit length. So from that M equal to M into L. Then dm by dt equal to m L by t. Okay. L by t, distance by time, that is equal to velocity. So m into v. Okay, substitute this here. dm by dt equal to m into v. Substitute. de by dt equal to half into m v into v square. Okay. Then what's the simplification? Half into m into v cube. This is the rate of kinetic energy imparted to water of m v cube. That is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you, students. In next session, we will see to other chapter. Thank you.